Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tionna Michelle here. So today I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation, some Christmas cleaning motivation, and today we're going to be cleaning my living room and we're going to be putting up some decorations in the living room, so stay tuned for the video. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tionna, but you can call me T, and I am a full-time working wife and mother of 3. And in my free time, I like to do cleaning motivation videos, home organization, DIY, and crafting. If this is something that you're interested in, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. So I'm going to be using this corner right here to place a tree in memory of my daughter that passed away last year. Unfortunately, this will be our second Christmas without her, so I'm going to be putting a tree here in her honor. So the living room is one of the areas that I try to keep the tidiest the most, and I do a good job at it for the most part. But on some days when I do hair in here, because it has the best lighting, it tends to get a little messy. So I'm just going to take the time here to clean it up.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
And that is going to be all for this clean and decorate with me. If this content looks familiar to you, that's because I did a full detailed video on my Christmas decor on my blog channel. I will link that video up above and in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.